I got a couple of products from Rhode. I have their new milk serum, their regular serum, and I think their barrier cream and their lip products, and I have them all on today. I've been using them since last night, and I reapplied this morning, and I just added concealer and mascara and like my own little balm. I like it so far. It's very glowy. I do have my Chanel balm on, but overall, like my whole skin is glowy. So today I'm actually renting a U-Haul. Roger's renting one because we're gonna pick up some furniture. My brother's moving and he's giving us his old furniture, which is just like the malm set from IKEA in white. And it's just good, you know, at least temporarily. I don't know if we're planning on keeping the guest room as an actual room, like bedroom, but for now, you know, it's just nice to have a spare bedroom. And I'm over having clothes all over the place, and I feel like this will force me to like just figure out the clothes situation. I am selling things slowly on Poshmark, but I just need to like store everything else and just figure out like all of that now, because it's driving me a little crazy every time I go in that room. And also I got a Russian manicure. I'm slowly scheduling like self-care beauty appointments because I need it, okay? So the first thing was my nails. I got a Russian manicure, and it's just like a technique. You guys can just Google what it is, but it's my first time getting one, and I don't think I could go back to regular manicures. It's supposed to last over a month. If it does last that long with all of the washing that I'm doing, like I'm constantly washing my hands now because of Arrow. I'm washing bottles all the time. I'm doing dishes all the time because we don't have a dishwasher or a kitchen for that matter. And I'm just constantly washing my hands. So they used like a rubber-based gel, which is supposed to be more durable. So hopefully it works out. But I mean, I just got a very natural manicure until they grow up. But if it does last, then I don't think I'm ever going back. And even though it's like a very simple manicure, like it's so like clean that I don't mind it. So this is the current situation in the guest room. Just clothes that I'm either donating or selling, clothes that I still have to sort into my closet, and like winter stuff, things that I don't use that often, that Roger and I don't use that often. So yeah, let's clear this out because Roger is on the way with the new furniture, and the new furniture is just the malm bedroom set. progress at the moment. We have narrowed all of the racks down to just 3. This is all winter stuff, which we bought these drawers which go underneath this bed. This is just the IKEA malm bed. I have to buy sheets for it because I don't have like queen sheets. This is a queen size bed. So I'm gonna get a set for it. The 2 nightstands that came with it, I just put it in the baby's room, and then I just put this here for now. I have to obviously decorate this room. It is a work in progress, but it does look a lot better than it did previously. So the goal for today or tomorrow or by the end of the week is to put these drawers underneath the bed so that we can have storage for winter stuff, and hopefully I can get rid of 1 more rack, so then I'll just have 2, which I will slowly put up to sell and also donate the rest. So yeah, eventually we are going to do a closet here, which is just going to hold all of the stuff that doesn't fit in other closets, like luggages and things like that, because I don't really like to have our luggages in the garage, because I do have some things like boots and stuff inside the luggages. So yeah, we're eventually going to have more storage space here, but I would rather do Arrow's room first because he still doesn't have a closet in his room. So once we do that, then we'll work on the closet here. But for now, I do want to get rid of as much of this situation as possible. And this is just my old mirror. I don't know if you guys remember. I had this in our room in the other house. And yeah, obviously, you know, rug, something for here. Maybe I'm thinking like a vase with like a large branch, and slowly but surely we will get this room in shape. However you pronounce it. It's back here. In the process of adding the drawers underneath the bed. Today's outfit, just came back from the optometrist, wearing this little A initial for Arrow tank, Almina concept, and these are Old by Naked. These sandals are from the Rhode. Earrings are Majuri. And that's it for today. I'm currently just watching him. We got him this walker and it's the best thing ever. It fits everywhere and he's obsessed with it. Goes all over the house with it, and I have just been having to follow him around whenever he's awake. What is this? He loves being outside so much, but I cannot explain how hot it is outside. Like it is, I mean, it actually has been like record-breaking temperatures, but in Miami, it's just, I don't know how to like describe what I experience when I walk outside. It's like vapor, like it's really, really bad. So I feel so bad for him because I do want to do stuff with him during the day, but it's just so damn hot outside. I could have sworn I had to tell. Oh, I still haven't found a pot for my plant. I'm just using this situation. I kind of don't hate how it looks. It kind of looks like the vibe that I want. This is just what it came with. But you see how it's like all dirty and rustic looking? That's what I want. I just don't know if I want like a black color like this. I only like black if it's like rustic looking or like dirty looking like that. Or like a stone color. Oh, Threads, the app, the new like Instagram app that's like pretty much exactly like Twitter, but in my opinion, way better. Obsessed with it. I don't know what it is about it, but it's everything I've ever wanted in an application. If you think in memes, this app is for you. If you're like the person in the group chat that is just constantly like posting GIFs or like memes, or like you just always have thoughts in your head that need a place, this app is for you. Like this has become my new notes app. Like I would always just open up my notes whenever I had a random thought and just put it in there. This has now become my notes app. I was never very into Twitter, but there's just something about this app that, I don't know, I just love it so much. So if you haven't checked it out, check it out. Best way I could describe it, it's kind of like TikTok mixed with Twitter. What are you doing? I'm seeing him through the mirror. Bang. Once they're like, I can't even imagine when he starts walking. I'm not gonna have a life. Like it's just, you just have to, your eyeballs have to be on them 24/7. He's only 6 months old. Like he doesn't walk. He's in a walker right now. But imagine when he starts walking. Like I'm not gonna have a life. So yeah, I think that's everything I wanted to say. Probably not, I don't know. I've been just putting this ball and he loves to play with it. Just like roll it around the house and it entertains him. Hey, whatever works, okay? Oh, this is a very flattering angle. All right, I think I gotta go. Definitely need to get outdoor cushions. I kind of really want to get green striped ones. I don't know what's gotten into me, but I'm just very into just green striped things, specifically outdoor cushions. And this is today's outfit. My favorite, very, very well used and well loved sweatsuit by Museum of Peace and Quiet, and my Birkenstocks. And this little white headband, which I think I got from Amazon. So my mom actually put this plant here on the corner of my desk, and it's probably gonna stay here because it was previously on the floor and Arrow was just ripping a new leaf off every time he would pass by it in the walker. So I'm trying to revive it. We're working on it. And then over here, I have kind of just put this little table, which we had somewhere else in the house, and all of my magazines, my diffuser, which I've talked about a million times how much I love this Mason Margiela little stick diffuser. This lamp is by Gantri, and then this candle is by Aesop. This is today's outfit. Tank is by Bandier. Thrifted oversized shirt. Belt is old by Mango. Shorts are by Kos. Demoliere London bag. Bottega Veneta dupes. They're teardrop earrings by Kos, and my Adidas Sambas. And that is today's outfit. So this is what the bamboo linen sheet set from Cozy Earth in natural looks like. It is actually so soft. Like it's like a linen, but it's like the softest linen I've ever felt, which makes sense because it's bamboo. The creasing is because of the duvet. I have to get the duvet cover. So this is what we have for now. I do want to get like a different situation for that, and obviously get rid of all this stuff. But little by little, yeah, let me just put this back because someone moved it. Same shorts, different day. Tube top is from Wolford, thrifted shirt, Demoliere London bag, Coast shorts, and flip-flops are by the row. And earrings are the same, they're by Coast. And the rest is Majuri.